Some secrets are too dark to be spoken, but even the deepest shadows cannot hide the truth forever. Inside this house, a mother keeps her sons close, too close. Every night that the world sleeps, they do things that should never be spoken of. She does it every night with her sons. But tonight, something has changed. She smiles, but the air is thick with something deadly. A storm is coming. The girl doesn't know it yet, but she has stepped into a place where love is a prison and escape is impossible. And when the mother speaks, her voice is sweet, but her words cut like a knife. You don't belong here, she says. You think you can take him from me? Tony's heart races. For the first time, he sees it. The trap, the chains around his ankles, the walls of this house built not from mud, but from lies, fear, and blood. Then it